This is how easy it is to set up your new Bravo 40 and 50 amp charge controller by Rich Solar. Here at Rich Solar, we're proud to introduce our new Bravo 40 and 50 amp MPPT solar charge controller, featuring new, sleek design and easy to use interface. Each box comes with the charge controller, mounting screws, and an enclosed instruction booklet, which is also available on our website. Now let's show you how to hook up one of our controllers. For this example, we'll be using our new Alpha 1 Pro battery, and in place of using our mega 200 watt solar panel, we'll be using a standard DC power supply. Let's take a look at the controller. You'll notice the easy to access terminals are labeled for solar and battery, each with a positive and negative terminal. You'll also find the optional temperature sensor right here, and an optional ground screw located on the left-hand side of the heatsink. Now let's connect our controller to our Alpha 1 battery. First, we're going to plug in the battery cables to our controller. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for this. Now let's connect the cables to our battery. Don't forget to remove the caps from your new battery. As you can see, the controller will turn on its own after fully connecting the battery. All versions of the Bravo Solar Charge Controller feature a new backlit LCD screen. As you can see by this blinking light, our solar panels aren't plugged in. So let's do that right now. And as always, positive to positive, negative to negative. Now all that's left is setting the battery type, and that's as easy as 1, 2, 3. On this screen, you can set your voltage either to 12 volts, 24 volts, or just make it automatic. We'll set this to 12 volts. And on this screen, you'll set your battery type. Right now it's set to lithium iron phosphate, but it can also be set to lithium titanate oxidized, lithium cobalt oxide, gel, AGM, lead acid, lead crystal, calcium, and there's also a custom setting for if you want to do a manual. Once you have your battery set, press the set button again. It'll disconnect the battery temporarily and then reconnect, and you're all good to go. The solid green light shows that your panels are connected. Solid blue light shows that your battery is charging, and this gauge shows the charge level for your battery. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to set up our new Bravo 40 and 50 amp MPPT solar charge controller. The charge controllers, as well as our new Alpha 1 Pro lithium battery and our mega 200 watt solar panel, are available on our website at richsolar.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or email us, and have a solar day.